You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this town in the south of France, in Provence near Marseille. For more confusing famous names from the area and useful French vocabulary, stay tuned, we got them all. Istres is how we say it here in France. Istres, the S is silent at the end, as is often the case, so don't worry about it. Istres in English. Istres, Istres. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.